Hello and welcome back to Bioinformatics series of videos on Explore Bio with Dr. Abhishek. In today's video tutorial, I will quickly explain how to predict the localization of a particular protein in a subcellular compartment. I will be doing this with DeepLoc, one of the most popular online tools to predict protein localization. Proteins can be found anywhere in the cell. Depending upon its functional, regulatory, or structural role, it may be in the nucleus, mitochondria, chloroplast, endoplasmic reticulum, or any other. It may be a membrane-bound protein or it may be found in the soluble fraction. To predict the location of the protein, visit the DeepLoc website. Its link is given in the description below. You can see this tool predicts the localization of eukaryotic proteins in 10 different subcellular locations. You can read more details about it in the abstract section. Click on the submission tab to enter the protein sequence. If you have a DNA sequence, you have to first translate it into protein sequence. You can add multiple sequences at a time or choose a FASTA formatted file. To learn what is a FASTA formatted file, you can watch this video. Next, copy the protein sequence whose localization needs to be predicted in the submission tab. You can see the job is running. It may take several seconds to a few minutes. Here are the results. The predictions are based on the similarity with the existing dataset files. Here you can see that it is an extracellular protein having a particular signal peptide, and the probability of prediction is over 0.9, which is quite high. You can also do it with multiple protein sequences at a time. I am submitting 4 protein sequences in FASTA format. And here are the results. We have already seen protein 1 was extracellular. Protein 2 might be cytosolic protein, its probability is however low, so we cannot be sure about it. Protein 3 has high probability of getting localized to plastid. And similarly, protein 4 in mitochondria. I hope this tutorial helps you in predicting the subcellular localization of your proteins. Subscribe to learn more about bioinformatics, transcriptomics, genomics, research, publishing, plant tissue culture, and lot more. Comment below for your requests and queries. Thanks and see you in my next video.